Hey, this is Eric from DEI. I wanted to tell you a little bit about our new AN sized heat shroud line sleeving. We get quite a few calls on what size sleeve will fit certain AN lines. So we took the guesswork out and just made 3 new sizes of our heat shroud product perfectly sized for 20, 16, or 12 AN hoses. You get the same great protection as always with a reflective outer shell and a heavy glass fiber lining, but now you don't have to try to figure out what size to get for your AN line. These sleeves have a hook and loop closure and no need to remove the line to install. They simply wrap around and press closed. Keep your AN lines and hoses safe from heat and abrasion with DEI's AN sized heat shroud. Again, available for 20, 16, and 12 AN lines in both 3-foot and 10-foot lengths.